goodness. It just keeps pouring and pouring and pouring. Got the BP3 rolling in. Twin turbo hurricane. What's going on, y'all? It's your boy Whistlindiesel. We back on another banger video. We got the gang in front of us. We on the way to Cars with Caffeine this morning, y'all. It's out of AJ right there. We got Pete, we got Vaughn, we got Ty back there. Oh, we almost had a wreck too. Look, it's already getting a little hectic up here right now, y'all. We got the minivan finna try to Pete cutting up. Got the minivan trying to get over. Oh, hold up. We got an RS7. I'll be right back. This might be the difference between me and the RS7. Cause that boy is trying to get little. I ain't even gonna lie to you. Looks like we might be getting a piece of the RS7. Let's see. Y'all know Kizzy, that thing look good, man. That thing looks good. I ain't gonna lie to you. Look at Vaughn. We got Trico car with the Q4. Then we got the RS7. I'm starting to fall back in love with the RS7s. Allure Supra, a M4, my favorite. They have a Viper, a new Viper for sale. Tuzati needs to go ahead and get a Viper, y'all.
What they want with it? 200K.
How much they want? 100K off the meat rack? Probably. I'll kill myself in this thing, man. I would dead serious kill myself in that. No cap.
Bro, baby, the photo, bro. That's the one. I can look at your mom.
Ooh-wee. Look at that. Wide body kit on there. Looks like a Liberty Walk. That thing is insane. What's up, man? What's up, man? How you doing? All right.
What? Stop.
Keeps on that thing. Yeah. Where's the oil filter? That oil filter smoking, baby. Smoking. Oh, whoa.
We're gonna hear one thing, right? You're not gonna leave painting.
He did the two-step. Look, you hear that massager, you don't want no smoke with him. Well, yeah. You don't want no smoke with the two-step, man. He got a, oh man. Oh man. That's crazy. Looks like we have Blacklight that showed up. I haven't talked to this man in so long, but he went ahead and built the car. I know y'all remember we were supposed to get this on the channel, but this M8 is insane. It is utterly insane. And then we got Jude's SVJ. This thing is utterly insane. Got the active arrow. And we were just sitting there talking for the longest time just about how these cars on the street and on the track are two totally different animals. Like, you don't really know your car until you take it to the track and it scares you, which is understandable though, because you can't really push it to the limits like you want to in the streets. So like, you can push your past limits and it can correct you about it too. Really want one of these. That's really all I want. We got the G-Wagon pulling him and a Caterham behind him. Ooh-wee. Got a Caterham behind him. We got a GT350. We got a Mach 1. Oh my goodness. Then we got a Ford GT. We got Sammy in this Ford GT. That's insane. And then we got his wife in the new Ford GT. Everything mad good. Careful now. Look, he gonna shoot. He gonna. Then we got, it looks like an M4. Yep, I can tell. Trust me, I know my M4s when I see. We got M4. My favorite, absolute favorite BMW. Besides the M8, of course, but yo, they have a lobster lemon coat going on with this Porsche. That's insane. That's crazy. That looks so good. Holy crap. That is insane. Absolutely insane. Utterly insane. Got Wildcat in the building. Got another Huracan. We got Keller and Whistlindiesel twin turbo Huracan. GT3 RS. It's like we got oh my goodness. It just keeps pouring and pouring and pouring. This is crazy. Oh, it's his new. This is his new F8. The GT3 rolling in. I didn't know that he was here. I didn't know he was actually here. Take one really good long look. Side of this thing, man. The side, the Ventador sign lights up like my Infinity sign. You know what I'm saying? God got something in store for me. Chimp got something. You know what I'm saying? He trying to tell me something. I like that. You like that, don't you? See his page. Let me tell you, he's shooting flames.
In the Altima?
Yes. Definitely shooting flames. I really wish I could have heard them blow-off valves. Them things sound good on that thing. We got Paul leaving out the 720. We got Lip leaving in GT3. Yeah, man. Oh, this is a Ventador.
Boy, he did a pull on me last night.
That's what that is. 50th. Oh, this is the 50th anniversary. Hey. Yeah, man. But everybody about to head out. Trey here now. He finally got the twin turbo out now. So that thing looks good back there too. So if y'all do want to see a video with the twin turbo R8, it'll be coming soon, like I said. So y'all just gotta stay tuned for that. Try to get Paul with the 720 as well, but you know we gotta work our way into stuff. Got the other Huracan hitting out. Calipers, that looks good. You got the SB, you got the S started. I think that's just the S. I don't know, mate. No, I think it's just the S. Got Wildcat leaving out. SBO. We got Whistlindiesel backing out. That fire-breathing Huracan. Got Carol leaving out. The Whistlindiesel twin turbo Huracan. Whistlindiesel. Sammy's wife in the new Ford GT. Sammy in the first gen Ford GT. That thing was sick. Yeah. Sammy, proper Ford GT. That's the real American muscle right there. That sounds good, man. Got the Huracan. The BBS is on there, red interior. We got Jude leaving out the SVJ. All right, my friend. If you guys want a video on the SVJ, make sure you stay tuned on that as well. Talking about track days, so I don't know. We may end up seeing the track day with the SVJ and with supercars. You never know. Just stay tuned. Jesus. That R8 is loud. Project 8 coming out. This R8 is ridiculous. Absolutely ridiculous. Oh my goodness. I'm so stoked. You got like one of one XC SV. I know it's a lot. It's a Jaguar XC SV. Got the toe. Got the diffusers, side skirts, splitters. The big mounted wing. It's just that's literally a one-of-one car. So fortunate that we're able to stand right there in front of it, and know the owner at that. So, but sitting over here having a conversation, it's like a casual window tint going on right now on a California T. That's insane. You know how many chances you get in life to see someone tint a California T?
Yeah, exactly.
A Ferrari in general, just right here in front of you. You get to learn, bro. That's insane. He's got 10 seats on the inside. This thing is really, really nice. I like Ferraris, I really do. But I'm a McLaren and Lamborghini type of guy. Like, it's only certain Ferraris I would get. Like, for example,
I don't really know
48
about that.
or a 458.
Oh, yeah, sorry. Yeah.
Crazy. Oh my goodness. Jesus. What's up, dog?
How are you?
Good.
Oh, you ain't gonna rip it though.
What's up?
It's cold. Yeah. Tickle it.
Give it a second.
Okay. Tickle it a little bit. Damn, it's cold. It's my friends.
Whoa, I messed up. Bruh. I don't know if y'all can tell the devastation in my voice from the last clip. I missed his rolling burnout. That's crazy, and I'm highly upset about it. So, got her all started up, and so, ooh, look at that. It's tracking focus. It's crazy. You know what I'm saying, Jim? That is utterly insane. Yep, we here. We got the crew. It's time to go grub it. Dang, bro, I ain't even got the name up there. What was the deal?
Whoever car popped the loudest, paying for everybody.
I got stock exhaust. I don't know what you're talking about.
Oh, definitely ain't mine. I definitely didn't cut the muffler like the first hour I had my car. You know what I'm saying? It's still on there. It's still quiet.
Yeah. It's nice and quiet. Nice and
Yeah, still nice and tidy. Now, do I choose pizzas or sandwich and burgers? Chicken, bro? I don't know. I'm having the hardest time deciding what I want to eat right now, bro. I'm just like eating already cheese. Oh my god.
Just tear that piece up.
Somebody all over my food. That's the tip she's getting for the day, because she's been a complete butt.
Fuck her.
She got what?
She got $4. And then
four of us.
Just three of y'all.
Lime right there. You might want to watch the step. It's a line right there.
Just three of y'all.
Just three of us.
Then he said, I don't know how much he took. You gonna run the street like, hey, how much did you do?
I gave her
5 for like $6, like with the money, and then I left her a 5 on the table. For whoever cleans
She
the
made a solid $15. $15 a group of 7 people. Solid. You a good one, bro, because I can't do it. I just gave her the rest of whatever was on the bill. You can have it. Here's the last look at the lineup for the day. I really hope that y'all enjoyed today's video, man. Make sure you leave a like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you on the next one tonight video. We out of here. We out of here. We out of here. Jesus. We out. See you on the next one tonight video. Peace out. I love y'all, man.